You're not helping. Cut the dog. Keith, I'm gonna cut your face off. Get your nose away. See, that's what I'm supposed to friggin' do. That'll take forever. Cutting a damn box open. Seriously, it's too early for this. I want it to open. Why did it come early? You keep that. The extent of the finger face. She doesn't care. Oh, I'm gonna have fun with this. I think I see the nose. Look. Told you I'm fun with this. My boyfriend's in bed. Not wanting to be videoed. Well, he said he doesn't care, but I'll be nice. You like me narrating? Oh, I see the ears. I think that's an ear. I don't want to pull it because it's not an ear. Oh, great. I'm going to pull it anyway. Oh, it's a mess. Oh my god. Keith, you're not helping.
Okay.
What? It's blue. She's even cooler in person and her mouth is full of crap. Get it. That's so cool. I think the tongue. Oh, the tongue is like squishy and smooth. Just like Keith's tongue. I'm making it smell. Ooh. That's awesome. Oh, it's so soft. Oh, and I'm burning a knife. It's not a good idea. Nope. That's it. Oh, that's too cool. Hush. Kisa, you don't get any say in this right now. Where did I see it?